murder trial of the 4 police officers accused of fatally shooting Mthokozisi Ntumba during a Wits Fees Must Fall protest in March last year will resume this morning at the High Court in Johannesburg. The officers Tshepiso Kekana, Motseothata Boitumelo, Madimeja, Lekgodi and Victor Nkosinathi Mohammed face 4 charges including murder. The 35-year-old Ntumba was killed allegedly by the police officers who opened fire on a group of students in front of a Braamfontein clinic in Johannesburg. As I said, Chriselda Lewis is covering this for us. Let's cross over to her right now for more. Chriselda, good morning to you.
Well, a very good morning to you, Leanne. So expected this morning, an investigator at Police Watchdog, the Independent Police Investigative Directorate, will be back on the stand this morning in the Mthokozisi Ntumba murder trial. As you indicated, Judy Twala was the IPID investigator who was called to the crime scene in March 2021. You recall when Ntumba was allegedly shot by police during a Wits University fees protest. Yesterday, she told the court of how she had found him lying on the floor and had blood in his eyes and found several plastic cartridges on the floor. She also told the court of the video or surveillance footage that she had viewed at the clinic that you referred to when Ntumba had just consulted and was shot dead as he was leaving those premises. We're expecting her to continue this morning outlining what happened after she went through other aspects of the scene. So yesterday also you would recall that Mlungisi Mfaniseni, a security guard at the Johannesburg Institute of Engineering Technology, which shares a building with that clinic where Ntumba was shot dead, was being cross-examined in this court. Lawyers who were representing the officers charged with the murder basically accused him of fabricating what he saw on the day of that killing, pointing out that Hlela had only seen Ntumba lying on the floor, but put it to him basically that he could not say for certain who had pulled the trigger which resulted in that fatal shot. 2 members of the Ntumba family were also in court yesterday, often putting their heads down when details continue to emerge of what the scene looked like and the condition that Ntumba was found in. We're expecting that testimony to continue here this morning by that IPID investigator. We're expecting it to be a little bit lengthy, according to the state prosecutor just before we wrapped up yesterday, who indicated so. And then following that, there will be cross-examination by the attorneys that are representing the 4 police officers who are charged with the Mthokozisi Ntumba's murder. So that's what we're expecting in this court here this morning.